well do you understand health insurance? Gone are the days that every paycheck your premium was deducted and maybe throughout the year you paid $200 to $500 out of pocket and insurance took care of the rest. Easy peasy. Today, your monthly premium might be closer to a mortgage payment, and if you're using the healthcare system, you are spending way more than a couple $100s every year. Healthcare is expensive, and insurance companies are trying to cut costs wherever possible, and employers are looking for ways to provide coverage but not break the bank. The result is a healthcare and insurance system that is complicated, frustrating, and at times downright scary. This often confusing system can lead to some costly billing errors on the provider side, the insurance side, and the consumer side. Providers are pushing to increase revenue. If they don't use the right codes, maybe it's an increase to increase revenue, or maybe it's simply an error. Claims can be denied or overpaid. In both instances, this will trickle down to you, the consumer. Educate yourself and review your billing statements. If it looks off, ask for an itemized statement. Compare it to the EOB or explanation of benefits from your insurance company. Insurance companies, on the other hand, are trying to pay fewer claims. Have you heard of the 3 Ds, delay, deny, and defend? It's a well-documented tactic that insurance companies use to delay paying claims, deny claims, and if needed, defend themselves in court. For the consumer, this can lead to billing errors and denied claims, which, if you don't understand your policy and your rights, can lead to financial hardship, even financial catastrophe. The best defense is a good offense. Understand your policy. Do you have an ACA compliant policy? There are some creative ways to cover healthcare, and not all policies are ACA compliant. That doesn't mean they're illegal, but it does mean they might not provide the coverage you think they do. Is your provider in network with your insurance? Even if you have the same coverage, that doesn't mean the providers are the same from year to year. If you're on a high dollar medication, is that medication still on your policy's formulary? That can also change year to year. A lot of high dollar medications require prior authorization, or they may require you to try cheaper medications first. They call this step therapy. Understand the medications you take and why you take them. If you need a procedure, do you need prior authorization? If you're seeing a new doctor or specialist, do you need a referral? Again, the best defense is a good offense, and knowledge is power. If you find yourself overwhelmed or with an unexpected medical bill or insurance issue, consider the services of an advocate. We know the system and we know the language. Want to learn more about healthcare or insurance? Follow along. Have a question? Drop it below and we'll do our best to answer it, or at least point you in the right direction.